California State University, Monterey Bay is surrounded by rich biodiversity, which makes it an ideal area to study the environment. CSUMB students apply what they learn in the classroom to real-world environmental challenges. A large part of their education is through community engagement and course-based research. They address questions where the answer is not known at the outset. This is exactly what occurred with a research project at Fort Ord Dune State Park. Students in the environmental science program worked with resource management agencies on how to preserve the biodiversity of the dunes as a portion of the park is developed into a campground. Collectively drawing upon their skills, including plant sampling and identification, aerial photo interpretation, and map making using geographic information systems, the students presented their findings and solutions to the California Departments of Parks and Recreation, the Big Sur Land Trust, and the Bureau of Land Management. This effort resulted in a plan that would allow the establishment of a campground for people to enjoy, while at the same time preserving the biodiversity of the fragile ecosystem. Just a few miles inland, another group of CSUMB students engaged in a different project. These students, majoring in environmental studies, focus on environmental education and community outreach. They work with middle school students to facilitate sustainable practices on their campus. CSUMB students guide and support the younger students as they transform a once neglected piece of land into a thriving outdoor classroom complete with a greenhouse. Together, they work to enhance their classroom through applied projects like native plant propagation and planting, interpretive signage, resource conservation, and habitat advocacy. Students make discoveries constantly as they develop a deep appreciation of the environment. It may be as simple as interacting with a native mouse in its natural habitat. Students have many opportunities for hands-on experience outside of coursework. Examples of organizations that support the students' independent research include CAL FIRE, the City of Salinas, the Elkhorn Slough Foundation, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. As students grow within the program, they become the ones leading research. This is exemplified by an environmental science student developing a new method that determines the number of fish species in a river by filtering DNA out of the water and then analyzing the DNA to determine which species are present. Organizations such as the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, California State Parks, and regional water boards rely upon research by environmental science students to make informed management decisions. The Department of Applied Environmental Science prepares its students for rewarding careers in natural resource management, environmental consulting, research, outreach and education, environmental justice, planning, and sustainability. A large part of this success is attributed to its faculty and their engagement with community, state, and national organizations. Empowered with skills, knowledge, and experience, a CSUMB graduate in one of the 3 degree programs of the Department of Applied Environmental Science will make a difference in the world by promoting social and environmental justice and understanding, managing, and sustaining our natural environment.